Hello, Abhiraj. How are you?
Hello,
How your
sir.
exams studying going?
Sir, I'm good, sir. My exams were just done, so everything's going fine, sir.
So, how was your exams?
Sir, my exams were good, sir.
Okay, great. So, first of all, congratulations, Abhiraj, on being selected for Olympiad from PracBee side for the last 2 years. I remember in the eighth class you achieved 15th international rank, right?
Thank you, sir.
Right. So, may I just want to know what inspired you to participate in the Olympiad exam?
Sir, so in our school, it's taken a bit seriously, and looking at my mates there, they were quite competitive, so that inspired me in also being competitive, trying to do my best, and the teachers and you people helped a lot, guided me, and the
Thank
results
you.
are
So okay, Abhiraj. So, how did you prepare for the exam? Resources, what you have used, study material.
Sir, the content is the same everywhere. It just
Right,
depends on how you see it
correct.
and how much you can understand.
Mhm.
And then you keep revising. For maths, you keep doing 10, 20 every day. So slowly, yeah, and that's
Right.
how.
So, what were the most challenging topics?
So,
What were the most challenging topics?
so challenging topics, I wouldn't say. Bio was tough for me
Bio stuff.
because my
Okay,
remembering is not that good, so
got it. I know.
it takes time.
As I am a math teacher, I can understand very well to you.
I can I can understand well, but then learning is not my thing.
Right. So, how did you overcome difficulties or setbacks?
So that just happened. Like looking at the people around me, how good they are, I just started to get inspired a bit, and that's all.
Correct. So, what strategies helped you stay focused or motivated?
First, there is nothing in
Thing
specific, sir. It just goes with the flow, sir.
only.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
It depends on what you want to do, what you want to achieve. So that's how it happens.
I think if your destiny is decided, so you can motivate by yourself,
Yes, sir.
right? Okay. So how did PracBee contribute to your success?
Sir, PracBee guided me how to do things in a better way. So like I was doing those things, but then not in a systematic manner. You people helped me how to do it uh, correctly, and yes, sir.
Okay. So
Guidance
what?
was the most
Yes,
important.
that is my next question. What specific guidance or resources did you find helpful?
So like the homework part, there used to be many questions in that, so I would be very much interested in doing those questions and tests, periodic periodic tests. Then there used to be few assignments given, so that's also.
I remember the tracker part. We were tracking everything. If you
Yes,
remember,
so
we were maintaining the
that
tracker also.
tracker also helped ki your stats must not fall down. So that was also one motivation.
Right. I think tracker helped you a lot.
Yes,
Because in
sir.
the tracker we can track each and everything, that how many questions are you doing on the daily basis, and you maintain your score also. So I remember that you had given almost 10 to 12, 10 to 15 tests for the school exam or Olympiad exam as well.
Yes,
Correct.
sir.
Okay, great. So, were there any areas where you felt additional support would have been beneficial?
Sir, as of now, everything is going okay, sir.
Everything is good.
Yes,
So,
sir.
no suggestion from your side.
Sir, everything is good, sir.
Great, great. Okay. So, regarding your future goal, so what are your future academic or and career aspirations?
Sir, uh, uh, I am still uh, exploring different areas, so I'm not yet decided, but then
Okay.
it will be mostly something related to engineering software.
Okay. So, could you elaborate about the areas, on which areas you are focusing?
I like mostly the maths and computers area.
Maths and computer areas.
Yes.
Uh, okay. So, did you check about artificial intelligence or data science?
Yes,
Have you checked?
I'm just checking and
Yes.
going through various courses and seeing
Great,
how it is and how things are.
great. So it means, are you planning to participate in more competitive exams?
So this year, not many, but
Okay.
next year I'll surely see.
Okay. So what do you think? How Olympiad help to the student, and how we can relate this Olympiad exam with the competitive other competitive exams?
So Olympiad, so suppose you are in 10th, the syllabus of Olympiads are a bit higher. They touch the 11th topics. So when you give those Olympiads, you have to learn the higher topics, which means you cover the 10th portion and you even touch the 11 topics, which even helps you in your school exams because you completed the portion. And in the future, it will be very easy for you to
So
understand
Abhiraj,
the topics.
is Olympiad only for math and science, or you can
The
give for any stream?
Olympiad is for, as far as I know, math, science, English, social, computers,
Means
general
so many
knowledge.
subjects are there.
Yes, sir. General
According to
knowledge.
your interest, you
Yes, sir.
can take the Olympiad.
Yes, sir.
Am I
There
right?
are 6 to 7.
Okay. So had you given only math or science or any other exam also?
So till 8th, I gave math, science, English, computers, and GK. But then in 9th, I just reduced it to maths, science, English, and computers. And in 10th, I'm right now giving maths and science only.
Great. I think your strategy is good. And I think you are focusing on your IDJE exam, because in the next year you will be coming in grade 11, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great, great. So Abhiraj, tell me one more thing, as you are excellent in math. So would you like to share some tips on how to improve math skills for competitive exams?
So there's no short tricks and all in those. You just need to keep trying various problems each and every day, and slowly your calculation gets better and better. You start to understand the questions, and it's a slow
How
process.
to improve calculation?
Sir, by doing more and more calculation.
By doing more and more calculation. because I am listening with the other student, ki, sir, I am stuck on that problem. How to overcome with that? How to remove my fear from the math subject? So, is there any idea? Would you like to share something about that?
Sir, it's just in the head, sir. There's nothing to be scared of.
Okay.
You
So,
make
what
you make mistakes, you learn by it.
you
That's how you can do better.
learn from the mistakes? Basically, this should be the tagline, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, what skills or habits do you think helped you succeed?
So practicing every day and that must be consistent. Not like one day you do, the next day you don't. You have to be consistent in whatever you do. 0.1% adds up every day. At the end of the year, you, you will have a result. Doing
Great.
on one day and the next day you just tell that I won't do it, won't help you at all.
Right. So, any memorable moments or takeaways from the experience?
So there are many. I just can't seem to get it in my head right now.
And would you like to share some tips for science subject? Because in science we have three different subjects: physics, chemistry, and bio. And you were saying, sir, ki I am not very much comfortable in the bio subject, but still you selected in the science Olympiad exams. So how to achieve that thing?
And for me, bio is like I just have to study it. I don't have an option. So that's how I studied. And I just tell myself it's just one more year, complete it, and then you'll be done with bio. Physics is a bit more like maths. You have to keep practicing it every day. Chemistry is about learning and understanding again.
So did you face any challenges with physics, because physics is completely a practical based subject?
Yes.
So did you face any issues?
I guess this year we tried touching the 11th topic. So at the start, the terms were a bit complicated. Understanding them took time. So, but then repeated explanations of it helped me understand the topic, and then things became easy.
Okay. And on the other end, chemistry is completely a empirical based subject.
Yes, sir. Like
So
chemistry is more like things around you. So you just see them and it's like that.
right. And Abhiraj, one more thing, like if you, how did you adjust the time in the exam? Like exam is for 1 hour, and you have 60 questions. You have 50 questions.
Yes, sir, 50.
So how to divide that push time duration for each and every question?
Yes, sir. Have 50 questions, 60 minutes. So there's practically 1 minute per question, and you get a half an hour reading time. So for maths, if your mind calculations are good, you can do the ones which are a bit easier at the start so that you won't waste your time when the writing part starts. Science is like you like during the reading time, biology can be read and done that time. So, and then when the writing time starts, so you just keep on solving, and suppose you get stuck somewhere, just move on and come at the end to solve it again.
Great. One more question, Abhiraj, ki along with the school, how do you manage PracBee classes and self-study time? How to manage it?
So, sir, my morning school is 9 to 5. So, and my PracBee is at around 6:30, 7:30. Oh, there's 1 hour. My self-study time is in the morning, 5 to 7, sometimes 4 to 7, it depends. And during the night time, if I don't have much homework, 9 to 10, 10:30, 11. So that's
Any other suggestions apart from study or anything uh, about your hobbies, any other achievements, anything if you want, you can share.
not much. I have not been into sport that much this year. So,
You like cricket? Still, do you play?
no, sir.
No.
I play basketball nowadays.
Great. Oh, nice. Very good.
Because cricket doesn't have much tournaments going on. Basketball is a bit more. So, basketball.
Great, great. Fine, Abhiraj. It was nice interaction with you. So, congratulations again, and
Thank you, sir.
hopefully that you will be selecting again and again in the upcoming Olympiad exam. So currently you are in grade 10. I hope you will be selected in the same exam, and soon you will be coming in the grade 11. So I hope you will be going in a better way for the 11th grade, 12th grade for the IIT JEE exams.
Yes, sir.
Right. So okay, Abhiraj. Uh,
Thank you,
that's
sir.
it from my side. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
So bye bye. Take care. We'll meet in the next class.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.